Let's find out how you can create a quick chart to display some results in Excel. In this example, I'll be creating a graph to display the results from a recent test for a class. First, I need to create a table with my class's results for the test. Next, I need to highlight the names and the scores which I want to display on my chart. To highlight the second column, I need to press Ctrl. Now I need to click on the Insert tab and select Recommended Charts function. Excel will display some suggested charts based on the data you have highlighted. You will notice if you hover over the different charts, Excel will give you an enlarged preview of the chart with your results already displayed. Another quick way you can display results could be by using the Quick Analysis feature. Once you have highlighted the data, an option box appears at the bottom right of the table. Click on this icon to give you options on how you can display the data in the table. Again, by hovering over the different options, Excel will give you a preview of how the data will be displayed. You can then choose the best option to display your data. Once you have chosen the type of graph that you want and displayed it, you need to add in chart titles and axes titles. To do this, you need to click on the chart. You then click on Chart Design and then go to Add Chart Element. And from here, you can add axes titles and other options to your graph. If you found this video guide helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you know when more useful guides are published to help enhance your teaching and learning in and out of the classroom.